Chris from Harrison's Homes, and today is the 6th of January 2023, and I just wanted to give a market update as to what's happening in the Swale market. Now, there's a lot of reports, and there have been over the last couple of months, about the property prices coming down, and yes, they have come down a little in the last 2 months. And again, what are they going to do this year? Now, to be honest, I don't think anybody knows at this very moment in time. We've got various reports that are coming out saying that they're going to be stable over this next year. I've seen 4% drop, 8%, 5%, 10%. There's various different reports at the moment, and don't get me wrong, there are things and factors that could affect the market this year. But I just wanted to give you an overall of what the market is doing in the Swale area currently. So I just had a quick look at 2022 to 2023 just to see where the figures were last year, and based on Rightmove statistics, there were 194 properties available this time last year, and this year there's 407. So there's a lot more stock that's on the market. So we have swayed sort of back to a buyer's market. Instruction levels. So if you look at what's been instructed this year, we've got 8 properties compared to 13 properties, and this is right across the board as well. So this is other agents that are marketing properties, and again the data as of the 6th of January. Interestingly, sales are sitting at 13 last year compared to 14 this year, so there's a slight increase there. And again, daily average views. Now, just to give you an indication of this, Rightmove track what average views clicked on a daily basis on properties. So, and again, this is just an average. So this time last year it was 78.9. And again, this year we're sitting at 55.5. So there is a drop in activity of people clicking on to properties. 55.5 though, that's still quite healthy. I've seen it when the market was really bad down at 15, 20. So to me, there's still a lot of people at the moment that are considering moving. That's the way that I see this. And again, if you're looking at price adjustments, yeah, again, you're looking at 2 last year and there's 7 this year. So what are we seeing in Harrison's at the moment? So being frank, yes, it was a little bit of a dire end of year, but again, we've got off to an absolute flying start this year. I'm really proud of what the team have done. We're sitting on 7 new listings that have been coming to the market very shortly. And again, just to give you an idea of what those properties are, if you are currently looking at the moment. So we've got a stunning 3-bedroom semi that's coming onto the market. That's a bungalow, renovated throughout, in great condition. We've got a 3-bedroom semi that's coming onto the market on the Australian development. Again, to give you an idea as well, that's a very hot price bracket at the moment. What we're seeing is a lot of buyers that are between the 300 and 350. So if you are sort of considering selling at the moment and you're on the fence about putting the property on the market, then as I said, I'll give us a call on that one. What else we've got coming to the market? We've got a retirement apartment, stunning, in Beatrice Lodge. That's coming onto the market 220. We've got another property in Laxton Way, which again is another 3-bedroom semi. That's at 350. A great property on the south side of Sittingbourne in Arundel Avenue. That's coming onto the market at 425. And then again, a stunning semi-detached bungalow that's coming on in School Lane, Iwade. So these are going to be released over the next week. We've got a couple of sales as well this week that we're working on. We're just in the process of sorting the reservation agreement. Now, I just wanted to obviously touch base on reservation agreements for the end of this video. As of last year, and again, this is higher than what I would want it to be, but we were sitting on an average of 19% fall through rate over the year. If you look at where the national average is at the moment, we're sitting at 42%. So we're well below the national average, but that has increased from 10%. And I think one of the contributing factors to this is the fact that we are doing reservation agreements. So in short, what this means is both seller and buyer are committed to the transaction, and it's giving a lot of security to the deal that neither party are going to act unreasonably. Again, if there's any more information you'd like on this, I'd be more than happy to have a chat with you. As I said, keep an eye out on our social media pages over the next week or so. But yeah, positive start to the year. I know we're only a week in, but the signs are very good. if you want to give us a call, 01795 474 848. Many thanks.